since I've been little, I've been very scared of the dark. You associate darkness with being unsafe. A regular shift here can be quite varying. The evenings and the week are a little bit quieter. It can be a little bit scary at times. A street lamp will only give you light so far, especially the street lamps around here.
Typically, we get called out to find vulnerable missing people. The time that we get the majority of our call-outs is in the evenings. I suppose most of the areas that we get called to don't have particularly adequate lighting. It's often because street lighting is in the towns and cities.
I definitely think that light is something that everybody needs, especially at night. It's just a source of comfort and a source of safety.
The most dangerous element of driving to the call-outs at night is the unfamiliarity of the area. Just to have that extra set of lights to show you where the road is going, where the bends are coming up, it would just be really helpful. Light would definitely be more beneficial if it was available in more areas of the countryside. The ability to have the way lit out for you is something that's fantastic.